Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing something very popular that I've been seeing on a lot of the Dollar Tree groups that I'm a part of. So I decided I'm going to make it myself. So all of the materials we're going to be using today are from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to zoom out in a minute so you can see what this looks like from distance. But we have this Trellis, not sure how to pronounce it, but this is what it looks like from a distance. And this is in the garden section. As you can see, it literally says garden. This is from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna pull it up right here. And then this also comes from the Dollar Tree. I've had these for a little while. I was gonna make little bathtubs, still planning on it because I have a ton of them. But we are gonna be using these today. So we got two of them. And so what I've been seeing people do is they are attaching these onto the Trellis, whatever you want to call it, and then hanging up and putting stuff in it, obviously. So that's what I'm going to be doing. You can leave them silver like this. I think I'm going to paint mine, and then we'll attach these by drilling some holes. We're going to be using zip ties, also from the Dollar Tree, and then hang it up.